Everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, March 6th. Hope everybody is doing great. I am well. I told you guys I was going away last weekend. I went to visit my dad and my stepmom in Brooklyn, and from there I went to my friend's house on Long Island, and I stayed there for the weekend, and we hung out with another friend of ours. We've been friends since high school, and we went shopping, and we went out to eat, and we had wine, and oh, we just had so much fun. So yeah, I had a great weekend. Hope you guys did too. I just did a little bit of shopping, and so I have a kind of a short haul, but I am doing some crafting too, so we'll get to that. Anyway, I wanted to start with this cute little strawberry shortcake. This I picked up at Walmart. It was in, they have like Easter, it's kind of like a section in the middle of an aisle with Easter basket fillers, and this was one of them. This is by Bum Bums. It's strawberry shortcake, like the official strawberry shortcake, and it is just so cute. It was like $4.97, I think. I thought it'd be cute in my craft room. And these are the other ones. Well, they only had one other one at Walmart. I'm trying to open it without disturbing the tag because I want to keep it on. But see that like strawberry house? They had that too. It was cute, but I just didn't get that. The watering can I haven't seen, but that's adorable. And then there's Custard, her little cat. I didn't see that one either. If I saw Custard, I would get that. But anyway, I just got this, so this will go on my little shelf in my craft room. It's so cute and soft. So yeah, you know I had to get that. I went to Hobby Lobby. Paper Studio is 40% off this week, although I don't think I got anything Paper Studio. I got some spring stuff, some clearance stuff, some regular crafty things. This was, I think, my favorite purchase. This was in the spring section. It's this cute little pillow, and the one I picked didn't have a tag on it, but it was $19.99. It's just really nice. It's got like this linen front with embroidered chickens and chicks and ducks with the bows on it. Look at that, a little like metal bin with the chick and the mommy and some greenery and stuff. There's a rooster up here. And then the back has this pretty plaid, and it's pretty small. It's about, let's see, I'll just put it on my mat here. It's about 12 by 12, I would say. And, you know, $19.99 isn't the cheapest, but it was 40% off. I forgot about that. So it was probably, let's say, 40% off of 20 is $8 off. So it was like $12. So yeah, I got that. I'm going to put that in my Easter decorating. I did decorate my house yesterday, so it looks so nice and springy. I'll try to get some pictures up eventually for you, but this will go. I'm not sure if I'll put this on my couch or chair, or just like, I have like my fireplace and hearth all decorated, so maybe I'll put this down there. I don't know. But for now, we'll have strawberry shortcake lean on that. And then I got, let's see, this might be the only clearance thing. I got these stamps. I got two of them, one to give away, one for me. They're just cherries, and they were reduced to 57 cents from $2.29. So I thought that was a good find, and just this would be cute like on envelopes, I think, when you send them out. Just sometimes I like to put a stamp like in the bottom left corner of my envelope or on the back, so I think this would be great for that. So I got those, and then finally my Hobby Lobby got these little wooden bows in. These are in the spring shop, and they're $4.49 but 40% off. 36 pieces. They're like they're in the kind of in the crafting section, not in the front where all the decor is. So finally, yeah, it's been a while, and I've seen you guys hauling these. I thought they were so cute. These will be great to add to embellishments or projects and add some texture, and you can always jazz these up a little bit too, add some bow centers, maybe some glitter or stickles or something. Oh, and I got this ring. Isn't that pretty? I went to, well, we have a Marshall's Home Goods combo in my town, so I figured, I saw this, and it came with another ring too that has like little pearls all the way around it, but it's really big and the pearls just stick out a lot, so I don't know if I'll wear that one, but I just love this bow one. And the set was $12.99. Of course, it's not real or anything, but I just thought it was really cute. So I figured I'd go with gold today. So I have my wedding ring on. I always have that on. And then I got these a while ago, also at Marshall's, I think, or TJ Maxx or Betsy Johnson. And there's another one that goes with this too, but it's the strawberry and the strawberry flower. So yeah, I am rocking the gold today. So I got that. And then let's see. Oh, this was on clearance too. This was in the beads section, and it was reduced from $6.99 to $1.99. And it's just the little balloon dogs, but they're kind of like flocked on one side, and they're different pastel colors. I thought they'd be really nice for some dangles. And I showed you guys that Walmart charm set I got last week, like the purse charm set that has the J on it. So I thought I would make myself like a springy purse dangle. So I'm going to put some of these on there, I think. We'll see. And then I got these two. These were not on clearance, but they were 50% off. I think they're always 50% off, aren't they, the beads like this? Color Gallery by Bead Treasures, $4.49 normally. So it was, what, $2.25. But they're little apples, and they have these tiny little seed beads too that it comes with, the little green ones. So the apples have a little bit of glitter to them. There's red and pink, and it has the green leaf beads too. So I just thought those were so pretty. And how big are those holes? I don't think, yeah, they're pretty small. Good for beading, not for like beaded tools or anything like that. And then I found these in the Charm Me section. Nobody told me about these. Look at these. Okay, these are resin strawberry tea set charms. They're probably new, I think, because I've never seen them before. $3.49. Charm Me does not go on sale, but the prices are really good. So $3.49 for all of these. So you get 2 little teacups that look like strawberries, the teapot, and then these have little plates and spoons and forks. I mean, you could separate them if you want. They're just connected by jump rings, but oh my gosh, these are definitely going on my purse charm. So isn't that awesome? Oh my gosh, I love those. I love these, and I love the price too. So got those. And then I got, oh, this was on clearance too. All right, ignore my previous statement. These I picked up at full price before. They're the page planner storage envelopes. It comes with 3 pieces with pockets, normally $3.99, reduced to $1.99. These don't work as well as I thought they would. It says it holds 12 by 12 inch paper, which is true, but it's really tight because of the zipper that's up here. So if you plan to put a paper pad in here, you really have to like squish it in. So I think it works better if you put like individual sheets of paper in here. So, you know, if that's what you want to do, they're fine for that. And I can do that with something. So that's why I thought I would pick up this one for $1.99, and it was the last one. So I grabbed that. And then I got some sheets of vinyl. I haven't done any vinyl projects in a while, and I thought with Easter coming up, I would probably do some. I have 2 of my nieces coming for Easter, and you know, my kids, they're adults, but I do like to make Easter baskets, so I thought I could make something personalized. Anyway, I got this one, which this has been out for a little while, but I did pick it up. This is 405 Basics Permanent Vinyl, and it's called Pink Floral. It's only $1.49 for a sheet, and it's this beautiful pink floral, as it says. And then I got this one too. I think it's the same, blue floral. So yeah, just such pretty like watercolor kind of prints. And then I got this one too, which is called Blue Bows. They're all $1.49. And yeah, it's just blue with some bows. I thought those looked really nice together. They had a pink one too, but sometimes when I see pink and bows, it just reminds me of like breast cancer awareness, which is fine, but that's not what I'm going to be making these projects for, so I didn't get that. And yeah, that is it for my haul today, you guys. Since I've been back, I've been working on some, well, Scrap Diva Designs projects, of course, and KS Craft. I got some really cute KS Craft ones coming up. The Scrap Diva Designs ones I already showed you guys a video of, but yeah, I'll be working on more of those, of course. But yeah, next up will be KS Craft, and that should probably be tomorrow or Sunday, I would think. Just depends on how much I get done today. and Friday. I'm filming this on Thursday, as always. So yeah, that is it for my haul, you guys. Hope you're doing well. Please leave me a comment. I would love to know what you're up to and what you think of this haul. If you've seen the other ones like custard, let me know. So there didn't seem to be a spot out for it at Walmart, but I guess I could check their website, just scan the code and see what's going on with that. But yeah, I'm happy with everything I got today, this week, very springy things, and yeah, that's it. All right, you guys, enough rambling. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I would love to have you as a part of my channel, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.